Open Microsoft Word, go to Layout, select Margin, select this margin in here, go to Size, select A4 option in here, increase the zoom, add name, then go to Home. You can give some twist, changing the font, increasing the font size, changing the color, or make it bold. You can add profession name in here, go to Insert, select Shape, select text box in here, draw a text box, adjust the position in here. Now select Shape Fill with no fill, Shape Outline with no outline in here, add contact information, adjust the position. For LinkedIn, you can embed the link in here, click in here and paste the link and select OK. Now again, go to Insert, select Shape, select this line in here, draw the line, select Shape Outline in here, select Weight, increase the weight according to your preference, change outline color black or according to your preference. Again, go to Insert, select Shape, select text box in here, draw the text box, adjust the size in here, adjust the position in here, then Shape Fill with no fill and Shape Outline with no outline. Now add the most relevant skills and segment it like I am doing it, but it can be different according to your industry. I am using circular bullet point. You can use pipe symbol or comma in here. Add job experience section in here, press enter in here to give some space. When you add job experience, use action verb and technical term to describe what you do. Use keywords, skill set and technical term to describe how you do, and use result oriented metrics to describe what is the impact you bring to the company. You can add project or training work in here. You can add certification in here related to your job industry. Again, go to Insert, select Shape and select text box in here, draw the text box, customize the text box in here, adjust the position in here, Shape Fill with no fill and Shape Outline with no outline, add education section in here. You can add our section in here, you can add coursework, you can add language, you can add interest or hobbies in this section. If you face this kind of problem, just delete these things. Go to Insert, select Shape, select this line again, draw the line, use Shift to make it straight and adjust the position in here, make the alignment, and increase the shape outline using weight, change the weight outline and change the color to black. Now copy paste and adjust position in here, decrease the size and adjust it according to your preference, change it to this, copy paste, you can change this bullet point in here and change the color in here. Now export this file as PDF in here. You can check how it will look after you print.